Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Roblox game client not responding. To start the process, right-click on Roblox Player application. Now go to Properties. From Run, click on Normal Window to Minimized. Now click on Previous Versions Compatibility. As the page will appear, select Run the program in compatibility mode for. From here, change Windows 8 to Windows 7. Now click on Double Full Screen Optimizations. After that, click on Run this program as an administrator. Now click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. As you can see, detecting issues will start. Then click on Try Recommended Settings. After that, click on Test the program. The process of installation will begin. As you can see, Roblox is successfully installed. Then click on OK. Now click on Next. Now go to Yes, save these settings for this program. As you can see, the process of resolving issues and saving settings will begin. Now you can see on your screen, incompatible program issues have been fixed. Now click on Close to finish the process. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.